VX Limited American Flag Edition. You get the cool matching reboarding step. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so I just did a whole 10-minute run, but I did not have the record button going on accident. So we're gonna take her back out again. We got the 2023 or 2024 Yamaha VX Limited. This is like the most fun, playful ski, still so powerful, so much fun. I just like absolutely rip this thing. We're gonna take it out and do it one more time so you guys can see the video. Here, I'll show you real quick. IBR, or Yamaha Ride they call it, is working. There's forward, neutral, and reverse. Just want you guys to see that. The stereo is working. We'll play that for you, and let's just take it for some rips. Woo, woo, woo. She is straight up to 8,000 RPMs, right where she should be. Handles those little waves well. Sounds fantastic. Oh, I love this one. It's just so playful, but still it's full three-seater. It's not like a little smart three-seater where you can really only fit two people. You can get three on this. Do tubing, whatever you want. Tons of power. All right, guys, there you see it. The Yamaha VX Limited running flawlessly in the American flag color edition with the stereo, the Yamaha sound system from the factory with the Bluetooth. You got full connectivity. You got USB charger here in your glove box, big storage up front, towing tubes on this thing, whatever you want to do with it. Beautiful ski. You got the mirrors, everything. You got everything on this one in a fun, mid-sized, affordable package. So there you go. Thanks a ton for watching, you guys. I just wanted to make sure you guys got to hear the stereo. I'm not sure if I had it on for the first part of the video. So there you go. We got the stereo bumping now. Hooking right up to Bluetooth and sounds great. And then you also you can connect via USB through there. Here you go, guys. PWCexchange.com. Yamaha VX Limited in the American flag edition color scheme. This thing is gorgeous. 3-seater. And this is going to come with all the accessories too. It's coming with life jacket, tube, all Yamaha branded, all brand new stuff with it. The Yamaha storage bag that goes on the back. And this thing is incredible condition, 28 hours from new. 3-seater, so you can tow and do whatever you want with it. You've got the audio system on this one. I love this color on this too. Yamaha Connext. You get full tech, so you've got USB in here and 12 volts. Yamaha Ride and TDE cruise and no wake mode. You get reverse, neutral. Your start and stop buttons, and your stereo control is going to be over here. You got mirrors on this, large front storage. Oh, I can't get it with one hand, but you got a big front storage there. Seat pops off, and then you get additional storage in the back. This is a cool feature on the Yamahas. You get this waterproof bin right here. Really nice. Pop this off. There's our engine. Pop that back on. If you look in the jet, all ultra clean on this one. There were some scratches on the bottom, so I did paint over those, and it's not quite a perfect color match, but nothing major. They were just real light scratches from previous owner pulling it onto the beach, and so I just touched up the paint. Top paint all looks incredible. There was one little flaw right over here. Some light scratches right there, but overall this thing is in superb shape. It was garage kept. It's sitting on a brand new trailer. The woman I bought it from had owned it with her ex. I think they had it on a double trailer, and then they split. She moved it to the single trailer, so that's what it's on now. I also have double trailers available, but this one's a Triton aluminum 2025 brand new. I do always price them separate, so you can bring your own trailer or buy the single, buy the double trailer. Killer ski. These tend to be the most popular one. They're just like right in that sort of mid-range. They're still super fast. Seat 3, they've got all the good features without being, you know, huge and ultra expensive. So great ski here, great Yamaha. Thanks for watching. PWCexchange.com.